How do we study even when we don't feel like it? Now, let's admit it, there are times in our lives when we just don't feel like doing it. Even as adults, there are occasions where we drag ourselves to our tasks and activities. What more for fellow students? There will be instances when we just don't want to put the pen to paper. Studying feels unrewarding. We are not immediately getting the grade. Satisfaction cannot be seen right away. We don't get money, we don't get gifts. So the motivation may be hard to find. How then do we stick to our task and get the job done, even when the motivation that we have is close to zero? This video is going to help you because today I will share with you some ways you can use to continue marching on even when it gets hard. Step number 1, set small milestones. Those easy to achieve, easy to do kind. It makes us feel like we have accomplished something and build on that good momentum. Sometimes, right, setting targets that are too big can get quite overwhelming. So we can instead set really small goals, like to master one algebra formula today, and build on that confidence and then use it for the next level. It also feels much better to have accomplished something rather than nothing. Second point, make it fun. Studying can seem boring, it can seem uninspiring. Don't be afraid to put colors in to spice things up a little bit. Use highlighters, drawing blocks, draw mind maps, doodle pictures, information. Tell yourself jokes to remember things better. Alright, and also remember to take breaks. Do push-ups, have brisk walks. Cramming for hours on becomes really ineffective, and you can't really absorb much as well. Get outdoors, do slow walks, alright, have a view of Mother Nature and its beauty. All these can actually form your break. Alright, next item on the list is study environment. We don't want to be working in areas that are too cluttered, areas with messy notes, stationaries everywhere. It can make your mind messy as well. Organize your stuff, okay? It makes studying more efficient, and this can actually play a good part in your study routine, which brings us to the next point. Study routine. Create a routine for yourself and commit to it. Now, how can we commit to our study routines? Discuss the plans and timetables with an elder person, with a senior person, your aunt, your uncles, your parents. That way, we are more obliged to complete them. It might take a while, alright? And that's why we need to still set easy to achieve routines first. And then we'll be able to achieve these routines over time, of course, on autopilot. Last but not least, our purpose of studying. Why are we studying? Putting in the hours, so many hours per day. Motivation is really a short-term play, but why are we doing it? What helped me was the dream course that I wanted to get into, to study. Alright, to learn what I really enjoy, and to get there, grades is like a passport that I needed to have. So there you have it. 6 ways that you can quickly use to inspire yourself to study even when it's tough. Remember, even if it's a small goal, alright, its achievement will be a big boost to our study habits.